A father and son's journey through the forest. Once upon a time, there was a father and his little son. They lived in a small house near a beautiful forest. Every day, the father would take his son on a walk through the forest. One sunny day, as they were walking hand in hand, the son noticed a baby bird chirping on the ground. It had fallen from its nest. The son felt a deep sadness for the little bird and wanted to help. The father, seeing the sadness in his son's eyes, immediately took action. He picked up the baby bird gently and placed it back in its nest. The son's face lit up with joy as he saw the baby bird safely back with its family. From that day on, the son learned the importance of helping others, just like his father had taught him. They continued their walks through the forest, always keeping an eye out for any creature that might need their help. As the son grew older, he carried the lesson of kindness and compassion with him. He became a loving and caring person just like his father. And so, the bond between the father and son grew stronger with each passing day, as they shared their love for nature and their willingness to help those in need. The son knew that he could always rely on his father, and the father was proud of the person his son had become.